I want to find the most powerful Pokemon in my list, not the most powerful Pokemon of all time, because we all know it's Pikachu. Well, I'm going to put in here in B2 equals max, and I'm going to say just look for the max of the C column. Now, I could be more specific. I could say C5, and that's going to be the power level. Now, I have that power level, but I want to know what is the actual Pokemon that has that power level. And I'll put it right here in A2. I could do V. However, VLOOKUP always looks in the first column and to the right. So actually, I want to do XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP allows me to search for a search key. I'll look up in the C column, and I'll look at the result in the A column. Now again, I can limit this to C5 and A5. And there we go. We have the most powerful Pokemon in our list here. And if we delete this Pokemon, we find out there's the next most powerful Pokemon.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.